Hey guys, so this is the unboxing and review of the new Bose QuietComfort 25 noise cancelling headphones. They just came out. I just got them in the mail. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. These cost $329.99 in Canada. So yeah, there's the box. Let's go slide it out. Let's see, how do you do? Oh, there we go. Okay, so nice blue cover here with the Bose logo. Let's put that to the side. We got the setup instructions right there. Then a nice cover, and then the carrying case in a plastic bag, I guess. And then we got our owner's manual, warranty, other important documents, and some silicone. So let's go and see what's inside. We got a nice leather and nice material carrying case. Let's go and open it. Wow, that is nice. We got the headphones. Let's go unfold them. Wow. Yeah, these are really nice quality. Yeah. We got the battery. And I think these work even without the battery. But the noise cancellation won't work. But yeah, the old QC15s I think didn't work without the battery, but these do. Then we got the airplane adapter. Then we got our headphone jack. Let's go open it. Might need scissors. Alright, so we got our headphone jack. And I don't think that's 3.5 millimeter. So, yeah, but this is. So I think it's only for Bose. Then we got the volume controls and mic, I believe. So yeah, pretty nice overall. We got our carrying case, which is really nice quality, and like a diagram showing how to pack it. Nice leather material. Smells really nice. And yeah, overall, it's really good build quality. This is really soft. It's really nice. That's angled for the ear. I don't know if you can see, so it'll fit. So your ear could fit in there. It's really nice. Yeah, this is really soft, so there shouldn't be any problems with it hurting your ears. And this is also a really nice, like a fabric texture. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.